Welcome. With just 1.5 months left for your ASRB NET examination, the examination which is Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board examination. Now, this examination actually helps you qualify the NET examination for your position for assistant professor at state agricultural universities. Now, there are around 80 subjects in which ASRB exam is held. So, whatever your discipline is, you can choose the subject. The ASRB examination and ARS prelims examinations are held together. Those who fill in both would be eligible for both, and those who fill in ARS prelims, if they qualify, they would be eligible for ARS mains, which is for the scientist position. Now, some of the major subjects that we provide are, the list is given here. Then how do you actually proceed with it? So you have to simply choose the subject in which you want to appear for. Then you can simply go on to the portal, explore the various courses which are available, the dedicated study plan, and with the study plan you would see your progress score. So whether you go for notes, questions or videos, you would see the respective progress that you have covered over the time period. And then the most interesting thing is you can practice at the convenience of your home without any interference, and this is one of the best things that you can do for your NET examination. So the list of subjects through which you can prepare for ASRB NET examination is available here. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back to us. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.